Okay, so I just wanted to show you my progress after 2 weeks. This is like the end of 2 full weeks, and this is what I have so far in terms of taking down my locks. It's very tedious. Very tedious. I have to be very patient, very gentle, because I'm trying to retain as much length as I can. So yeah, this is what I have. This is what I use. It's like a little needle thingy, okay, and I use this to just to keep it, to get it moisturized and soft. It's African Pride Moisture Miracle Aloe and Coconut Water Detangle and Condition Pre-Shampoo. So this is what I use. I also use olive oil, and I use this. So those are my secret weapon. Of course, I have my spray bottle to keep the hair moisturized, hydrated. So this is what it is. So I just want to show you what it looks like so far. I have retained, I think I'm doing well in terms of length retention. So all of this is done. Ouch. All of this is done, and I'm gonna have to do like protein treatment and all of that before I reinstall yeah, the locks. And this side is pretty much done too. Oops, this side is pretty much done too, except for a couple. This is almost there. I'm just gonna get this done. So keep following me on my journey as I take these down and then embark on a new one. So this is what I have so far, and then I have like just this left for this part to do, but it's, I don't think I'm doing all that bad. Yep. Ooh, it's very tangled. Ooh, so I'm gonna have to, it's itching me like crazy, but that's it. Keep following me, like and share my videos, please. Thank you.